Good morning, student. Today we will learn our fourth lesson named Direction and Maps. Student, we know that there are four main directions: east, west, north, and south. How do we find them? Let us learn how to find the direction. The direction in which the sun rises is the east. The direction in which the sunset is the west. East and west are opposite to each other. If we stand facing east, the west is behind us. At that time, the north is to our left and the south is to our right. Try this activity in the open at sunrise. It will help you to understand directions better. Use of directions in map. In a map, directions are always shown. They are indicated with the help of an arrow pointing north. The direction on the map have to be matched with the directions on the ground before reading the map. That is, the map must be aligned with the direction on the ground. For example, the east on the map must be matched to the east of your surrounding. By doing this, you can tell at once the direction of the places shown on a map. Use this method while reading the maps in your textbook too. District, state, and country. India is my country. We have been reading this sentence in the pledge ever since Standard 1. You must have read the words state, nation, and world in this textbook too. You will find the words earth, world, country, state, district, taluka, and village in many places. Come, let us get to know district, state, country, the earth, and the world. We live in a house. Our houses are built on land. This land is spread very far and wide. A vast section of land on the earth is called a continent. Like continent, salt water too occupy the surface of the earth. This part is called ocean. The earth is also called the world. There are many countries on the land on the earth. The countries are made up of several states. We live in the state of Maharashtra. Our country India is made up of many such states. Maps of your districts, Maharashtra state, India and the world have been given in this lesson. Complete the activities based on the maps. Next topic is make friends with maps. Several villages, settlement and cities like our own together form a talukas. A district is composed of several talukas. A map of our district is given below. The map shows the talukas and their headquarters. An index is also given. It will help us understand the map. Read the map using the index and the directions. Carry out the activities given below. Look at the map. It is map of our Nasik district. Look at the index in the right corner of the map. First line indicates the state boundary. Second line indicates district boundary. Third line indicates taluka boundary. Symbol indicates district headquarters and the next symbol indicates taluka's headquarters. The above index you can see the direction as well as the kilometer scale. Question first. Write the name of your village, town or city in your talukas. Question number second. Circle the name of our district headquarters. The name of our district headquarters is Nasik. Question number third. Draw a box around the names of the talukas neighboring your talukas. Nifad is our taluka place. The neighboring talukas to Nifad are Dindori, Sinnar, Evla, Chanwad. Question number 4. Color the one of the talukas neighboring Gujarat state on the map. The Surgana taluka is the talukas neighboring Gujarat state. Trace the district boundary of talukas adjoining Aurangabad district. This is the boundary of talukas adjoining Aurangabad district. Next, a map of our Maharashtra state is given here. the different districts are shown in it. The map also shows that Mumbai is the capital of our state and Nagpur is the second capital. Find your district on the map and color it. Our district is Nasik. Second, a box is given in the index to represent your district. Color it in the same color. Write the name of your district after my district in the index. Third, in the box below, write the names of the district neighboring your district. The neighboring districts are Dhule, Jalgaon, Aurangabad, Palghar, Ahmednagar and Thane. Now student, look at the next map. It is map of our country, India. The capital of our country, New Delhi, is also shown on the map. Find and color our Maharashtra state on the map of our country. Now student, look at the map. This is our world map. In the world map, land is shown in white color while water is shown in blue color. This special map has been created so that all the land and water on earth can be seen at a glance. In the map of the world given above, color the part labeled India. Color the box next to the map in the same color and write India on the dotted line. What we have learned in this lesson. First, the four main directions. Second, the use of the directions given on a map. Third, an introduction to our district, state and country using maps.